everyone, welcome to another episode of Belle's Kitchen. Today we're gonna make seafood boil.
And today we have all the seasonings that we're gonna use. So right here we got our Portuguese sausage, we got some mini red potatoes, and we got corn. And right here we got our shrimp and our crab legs. And right here we got our onions and peppers. And right here we got some chicken seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, Cajun, salt, chili powder, paprika, onion powder and garlic powder, and some minced garlic. So now behind me, I got a tall stock pot, already rolling boiling. So I'm gonna add the onions and the peppers to the pot, and I already have some limes in there. Okay. And then we're gonna add the seasoning. So now we're gonna come in with the Cajun, then the chicken seasoning, the all-purpose,
Salt.
and then the salt, and then the cayenne pepper, and a little bit of paprika. And now we got garlic powder and onion powder. And we got a little bit of minced garlic. We're gonna use the rest of minced garlic to make the spicy buttery sauce. Now we're gonna add the corns and the potatoes, and then we're gonna bring it up to a boil for like 10 minutes, and then we add the seafood. So we put it in, we give it a nice little stir, and then we cover it and let it cook, let it come to a boil for like 10 minutes so the potatoes and the corn can be cooked. Then now we're gonna move on to the sauce. So right here I got 1.5 stick of butter. I'm gonna melt it slowly. So while the butter is melting, we're gonna add the garlic to it so it can melt together. It's like a garlic butter sauce. And I got 2 freshly squeezed lemon juice. Add some ground thyme. Some parsley flakes. You're gonna add some crushed red pepper flakes for heat.
Sausage are done. Now we're gonna add mussel, shrimp, and crab.
So right here we got our wok. We're gonna add some extra virgin olive oil. now we have our bubbly sauce right here. We're gonna add little by little.
Next, my daddy and I are gonna make bread pudding.
So first we have 2 French bread. We're gonna cut them in cubes, and we're gonna put them to the baking tray. We have 2 cups of milk, and then we're gonna use half a cup of red wine.
Half. Pour it in.
And we're gonna use half a cup of
Rum cream.
rum.
Now we're gonna get some vanilla. Pour it in.
Right here we got 4 eggs. We'll crack it open. So now we're gonna spray our baking tray with some non-stick cooking spray. This is the butter flavor. There you go. And now we're gonna transfer our bread pudding mixture to it so it doesn't stick.
Now we're gonna add some maraschino cherries to the mixture.